In this video, we're going to show you how to disable dark mode on Discord for PC after the latest update. If you're looking to switch back to the classic light theme, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the quick steps. First, open the Discord app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look to the bottom left corner of your screen. You should see a gear icon, which represents the user settings. Click on that gear icon to access your settings. Now that you're in the user settings menu, scroll down the left sidebar until you find the appearance option. Click on it to open the appearance settings where all your theme options are located. Here you'll see a section labeled Theme. This is where the magic happens. Under the theme options, you'll notice a couple of choices. If dark mode is currently enabled, you'll want to choose the light theme option. Simply click on it. And voila! You've successfully disabled dark mode and switched back to the brighter, more classic look of Discord. And that's it. It's that simple to change your theme back to light mode. Just to recap, all you had to do was open the Discord app, click on the gear icon for user settings, navigate to appearance, and select the light theme under the theme options. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Discord and other applications. Enjoy your newly brightened Discord experience.